Why should you back up your data? This may seem like a, yeah, no kidding kind of question. Of course, we should back up our data, but have you really thought about it? The obvious answer is so that when I delete a file by accident, I can get it back, right? That's why you back up your data. You want to save time. No one likes to delete a file, they can't get it back, and then, well, do you spend hours of redoing that work? Or can you even redo all that work? Data backup isn't just about restoring a single file. What if all your data was gone? And this could happen because maybe your server crashed, or really in most cases, it's because a hacker got into your network and maybe you got CryptoLocker and that you can't access your data. So how long could your business operate without that data? Is it hours? Could you last a day without access to all your files? Maybe you could last a week, but you probably definitely couldn't last a month. And data backup is really all about how long can your business survive without having access to that data or ever having access to that data. If you had to recreate every single file that you created yesterday, could you? I know I couldn't. I probably couldn't recreate a file that happened an hour ago. Maybe you're thinking, look, Tom, I don't need to worry about it because, well, my data's in the cloud and Microsoft's got that covered. Maybe yes, maybe no. Microsoft doesn't save files infinitely. And for many of us, we need to go back further in time than Microsoft is automatically including with your Microsoft 365 account. But there are things that we can do to extend the length of time that those things are backed up. The next thing to think about is what happens to your business reputation. So if you lose all your files and things get stolen and you have to tell your customers, hey, listen, I'm really sorry, we lost a lot of personal sensitive information. Is the customer gonna feel bad for you and say, oh my goodness, you were a victim of a cyber crime. That's horrible. Or will they say, how dare you not protect my information? And clearly you're incompetent. More than likely, they're just gonna think you're incompetent and be mad at you. Now, maybe you think, well, I'm probably not gonna get hacked. The reality isn't, will you get hacked? The reality is you will be hacked at some point and you will have the potential of losing data. But how you handle it ahead of time so that when it occurs, it becomes a seamless transition. All the data comes back to you and your customer never even knows that it happened. We can make that a reality for you. You need to go and talk to your IT company and ask them, how are they backing up that data so that when you get hacked, this isn't a problem for you. If you don't like the answer that you get from your IT company or you just want another opinion and you want to talk, give us a call.